Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to build a tissue box. Let's get started.
A couple passes through the jointer give me a nice straight edge to take to the table saw. There I rip the board to width. I'm going to take this board and resaw it into two pieces and then plane to 1/4 inch. I start out on the table saw, then head to the bandsaw to finish up the job. Another pass through the jointer gives me a nice smooth edge to run it through the planer. I mark out the individual box sides and then decide I'm going to add a little bit of decorative flair to the boxes. I print out a polka dot template. And I'm going to drill a guide to use on the box pieces. I'm using 3/4, 5/8, and 3/8 inch holes. After turning my board into Swiss cheese, it's time to make some plugs. I'm going to be using walnut, which will have a nice contrast to the hard maple. I begin the painstaking process of gluing and pounding in all the individual plugs. I sure hope it's worth it. After the glue is fully dried, I run it through the jointer one more time to give me a semi-flat surface, and then I'll be heading to the planer. Whew, they all came out okay. Now at the table saw, I'm going to put a 45-degree bevel on both edges.
If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and comment below.
I'll give it a quick sand and then head to the miter saw to cut my box sides to length. Alright, I'm going to tape the edges for the glue up, making sure all my corners are aligned. Alright, now the box is glued together, it's time for a top, but I should probably put a hole on the top for the tissues. I find center by marking the diagonals across the piece. Then mark some spots for the Forstner bit. Then I'll connect the dots and head to the scroll saw. Gonna add a round over to the tissue hole, and then time to glue the top on. A quick sanding and some spray on shellac, and it's ready for some tissues.
Here's the finished product, all ready for its native habitat, the house.
Thanks for watching.